So hey cherries, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyechi, and if you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. I love you. And if you're a returning subscriber, darling, I have missed you. I want to give you a hug. Thank you for being with me on this channel. Thank you for liking my videos, asking me questions, and a whole lot more. It's a journey. Skincare is a journey, and it's a process, and I want us all to be on this journey together. So on this revolutionary journey of being the best version of you. So if you are interested on this video, especially if you want to know the type of salt scrub and you want to know the type of sugar scrub, in fact this video is all about the differences as well as the benefits of salt scrub versus sugar scrub. So stick around, let us dive right into that. So to dive right into this video, it's the differences between salt scrub and sugar scrub as well as the benefits. So we're going to first start with what exactly exfoliation is. Exfoliation is the process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin using a tool, an exfoliation tool. So when it comes to exfoliation tool, it can be an exfoliation brush, it's exfoliation sponge, or any tool. Could be even the salt scrub or sugar scrub. Those are tools for exfoliating your skin. So yes, one fun fact I want us all to know is, you guys to know, is that our skin sheds dead skin cells every 30 days. Sorry, let me rephrase that. Your skin, my skin, our skin sheds dead skin cells to make room for new skin cells every 30 days or so. And sometimes these dead skin cells, they don't shed properly, and this could result to clogged pores, and a whole lot more, hyperpigmentations, breakouts, name it, acne, pimples. So you need to exfoliate your skin. You need to work on your skin. We're going to talk about sugar scrub. So sugar scrub is more gentle on the skin. It's less abrasive, and it helps heal dryness on the body. It keeps the skin moist, it brightens the skin, it promotes dull skin and makes it lighter. It lightens the skin, and like I said before, it has smaller particles, is less abrasive, and it helps. Sugar scrub is very good for fighting anti-aging. Is a good anti-aging scrub, and it glows the skin also. So when you're on sugar scrub, you should expect your skin to glow. You should expect your skin to brighten, to glow, because it helps fight anti-aging, dull skin, and it makes the skin look perfect. So moving on to salt scrub. Salt scrub is a scrub that has larger particles. If I'm looking down, guys, forgive me, I'm looking at my notes because I want to make sure that I'm hitting the points correctly. So if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe down below and like this video. Okay, so moving on to salt scrub. Salt scrub has larger particles, and it is used on rough areas like your feet and your elbows. For instance, now I have hyperpigmentation going on here because I'm always dropping like pressure. My knees, my elbows are always on the table when I'm studying, or so because I'm exposing this place too much, it becomes pigmented, it becomes an injury. So let me break it down. When you want to lighten these areas, you can make use of your salt scrub, because salt scrub works well for lightening those areas. It is also good for rough skin. If you have a rough skin, salt scrub does wonders for rough skin, and it does remove toxins from the body. It gives a deep exfoliation on the body. It eases inflammation. So those are the benefits of salt scrub. But one disadvantage I know so well is that most times salt scrubs come in large particles, and this can cause tears and make your skin more sensitive. It causes micro tears and make your skin sensitive. So you should be aware. You should beware of scrubs, in fact including sugar scrubs, that have large particles, which can give your skin micro tears and in return destroy or damage your skin barrier. Okay, so let's move on to one part I did not mention about the sugar scrub. Sugar scrubs are both for sensitive and dry skin, and it's more gentler and likely to cause irritation. I'm not saying that salt scrub causes irritation. I'm saying that in most cases, because of the depending on the type of sugar scrub you're using, because most like sugar cane, I think brown sugar has less particles, less large particles, so it is less likely to cause irritation like the salt scrub, because salt scrub comes in large particles most times, and that may damage your skin's barrier by causing micro tears. So yeah, that is basically all I have. I've mentioned what exfoliation means. I've also talked about what sugar scrub and salt scrub does for the skin, the advantages and disadvantages. And yes, I talked about where you can use the salt scrub. You can use salt scrub on your elbows and your feet, because those are difficult areas to walk through, like to exfoliate. I've talked about when the skin sheds cells, brings forth new cells every 30 days. You and I, our skin does that, and in the process, dead skin cells can come up and be very difficult to remove, which is why you need an exfoliant like salt scrub or sugar scrub that would help you get rid of the dead skin cells, which in return will make your will not clog your pores, so that you would avoid breaking out and a whole lot more that is not good for your skin. So yes, I think that has done that. And one more thing, sugar scrub has glycolic acid, which you guys, sometimes we go get toners that have glycolic acids, and we get to use them and at some point they don't work well. There's a natural glycolic acid in sugar scrub, so you should definitely have that in mind, which helps in working and beautifying your skin. So regular exfoliation helps to unclog pores. You have to have that in mind. When you regularly exfoliate your skin, you unclog pores, and that makes it easier for any ointment or serum or cream or soap, anything you're using to beautify your skin, to cleanse your skin, to work well, because the dead skin cells which are blocking those new ones will fall out and make room for easy penetration of your skincare products. I hope that is perfectly understood. Okay, so guys, moving on to the next one, we are going to talk about regular questions that are asked based on the type of scrubs to use, how to use them, and a whole lot more. So let me answer those questions. If you're interested, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to watch till the end. So one more thing to consider is your decision on the type of scrub to use is your choice based on your skin type. So if you want to use any type of scrub, you just have to have in mind, you have to get to know your skin type before trying it out, because that's the mistake we get to make. We don't find out our skin type. I've made that mistake before. In fact, I'm still recovering from that mistake, so I wouldn't want you to make that mistake. I'm going to give my honest review and talk about things as honest as I can. I'm not sitting here to tell you to buy a particular product that is going to make you white as half caste. I'm just sitting here to tell you this is what, based on research, works, and this is what you should look out for. And if by any means or anyhow I am wrong, do your research, get to know more, because everybody is learning. I am learning, you are learning. So, and the reason why you're on this video, why you're watching this video, is because you want to learn and get to know what I've learned too, which is perfect. So sweetheart, get to know your skin type, do your research, and use the right products for your skin. Moving on to the questions I talked about, someone asked, can scrubs in general damage your skin? The answer is yes. Scrubs can damage your skin. Why? Because when you overuse scrubs, especially if the scrub you're using has large particles, that is, it is abrasive, it can tear your skin, give your skin a micro tear, you may not know, and this in return will weaken your skin's barrier and could make you start having signs of sensitivity, in return cause a lot of irritation and damage to your skin. So overusing of scrubs in general may damage your skin, and that is why you have to be cautious. You have to make sure you're using a scrub that is not that doesn't have large particles. So moving on to the next question, do you use scrubs before or after bathing, rubbing your shower gels and soaps? Should scrubs be used before or after a body wash? Now the answer is whatever method you use depends on your choice. For my, okay, I use body scrubs before I apply my soap or my shower gel. It's my style. But for you, you may decide to go in with your scrub first, to go in with your scrub after you've washed your skin. But I think it's better for me, or my suggestion, what I do in person, what I do is I make sure I use my scrub first. When I go into the bathroom, I pour water all over my body. I apply my sugar scrub all over because sugar scrub is very good for sensitive skin, especially if it has less particles, not very thick rocky particles. I use sugar scrub for my skin, and you can use any one you want, but I use sugar scrub. And then you can use salt scrub for dark, rough areas that are difficult to penetrate. So I use my sugar scrub all over my body, and then I wait for a short while, and then I wash it off, and then apply my liquid soap or my bathing soap, and then I wash completely, use my exfoliating sponge all over my skin, and then I come out from the bathroom, and that is it. But you may decide to wash completely and then exfoliate and then wash it all off and come out. It's totally optional, it's your choice. Okay, so that is basically all I have for this video. I hope it was very informative. I hope you learned something as much as I did. So if you want any other reviews or any other informative videos like this, comment down below and let me know. I'm at your service. For a while now, I've not really been uploading based on I've been going through and working on a whole lot, so bear with me. At least I finally got a better camera and I'm able to vlog, make this video with the camera. I want you guys to see me clearly and get to know that I have my imperfections too. I'm not perfect. So guys, see you guys on my next video. And if you haven't subscribed, baby, sweetheart, sugar, what are you waiting for? Subscribe down below. Always watch my videos to the end and make sure you put a thumbs up, because it helps the YouTube algorithm to push this video to the next people so they can get to know the differences as well as the benefits of salt scrub versus sugar scrub, or salt scrub and sugar scrub. So see you guys on my next video. I love you and ciao ciao.